Aibovan. I'm Shani, your Sinhala teacher, and let's learn question words in Sinhala. The word for what is mokadda. Mokadda. But when the answer is plural, use the word monada. The original word is monavada, but we often pronounce this as monada. ඔයාගේ නම මොකක්ද? ඔයාගේ නම මොකක්ද? What is your name? ඔයා කැමති මොනාද? ඔයා කැමති මොනාද? What do you like? The word for how is කොහොමද? කොහොමද? මේක කරන්නේ කොහොමද? මේක කරන්නේ කොහොමද? How do you do this? මේක කරන්නේ කොහොමද? The word for where is කොහෙද? කොහෙද? ඔයා කොහෙද යන්නේ? Where are you going? ඔයා කොහෙද යන්නේ? The single word for why is ඇයි. 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 ඔයා ඇයි අඬන්නේ? ඔයා ඇයි අඬන්නේ? Why are you crying? The word for from where is කොහෙන්ද? කොහෙන්ද? ඔයා කොහෙන්ද? Where are you from? ඔයා කොහෙන්ද? The word for who is කවුද? කවුද? කවුද මේක කරේ? Who did this? කවුද මේක කරේ? The word කීයද can give the translation how much, how many, or basically when you're asking about a number. කීයද? මේක කීයද? How much is this? මේක කීයද? ඔයාගේ වයස කීයද? How old are you? ඔයාගේ වයස කීයද? The next word is something similar to the word kiyada, which is කොච්චරද. කොච්චරද. And the closest translation that I can give is what amount. What amount. Sometimes the word kiyada and කොච්චරද are interchangeable, but kiyada is mostly used with things you can count, but කොච්චරද is mostly used with things you can't count, or when the number doesn't matter, but the amount is what matters. An amount like liters, grams, or something you cannot count, like feelings or abilities. ඔයාට සිංහල කොච්චර පුළුවන්ද? It's like how good is your Sinhala. The direct translation is like what is the amount you can speak Sinhala. ඔයාට සිංහල කොච්චර පුළුවන්ද? ඔයාට සිංහල කොච්චර පුළුවන්ද? ඔයා එයාට කොච්චර ආදරෙයිද? ඔයා එයාට කොච්චර ආදරෙයිද? How much do you love him? The next word is the translation for when. කවදාද? 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 This word can be used only with questions related to days and dates. ඔයා එන්නේ කවදාද? ඔයා එන්නේ කවදාද? When are you coming? It's like what date are you coming? ඔයා එන්නේ කවදාද? The next word is the word when, but about the time. කීයටද? කීයටද? ඔයා එන්නේ කීයටද? At what time are you coming? ඔයා එන්නේ කීයටද? The translation for the word which one is කොයි එකද? But we have another translation, මොන එකද? Either කොයි එකද or මොන එකද? ඔයාට ඕනේ කොයි එකද? Which one do you want? ඔයාට ඕනේ කොයි එකද? Next question word is how many times? කීපාරක්ද? කීපාරක්ද? ඔයා එහි කීපාරක් ගියාද? How many times did you go there? ඔයා එහි කීපාරක් ගියාද? The word for whose is කාගේද? 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 මේ සපත්තු කාගේද? Whose shoes are these? මේ සපත්තු කාගේද? And there are more versions of these question words by adding different grammar points such as කොතනද, කොතැන්ටද, කොතනින්ද, කාගෙන්ද, කාටද, කීයක්ද, කීයකද, කීයකටද, කීයෙන්ද, මොනවලින්ද, මොනවලටද, මොන ජාතියෙන්ද, and more. If you like to learn all these forms and learn the Sinhala language with a structured course, contact me through lingocrown@gmail.com. එහෙනම් ඊළඟ වීඩියෝ එකෙන් හම්බෙමු. Bye bye!